But first, the federal government is stepping in, monitoring the police department of a large American city. The Department of Justice report found that police in Louisville, Kentucky, regularly violated the constitutional rights of Black people. The investigation was prompted by the fatal shooting of Breonna Taylor by police in 2020. It's one of nearly a dozen DOJ investigations of police departments across the country. The Justice Department also announced it'll review the use of force by the Memphis Police Department following the recent deadly beating of Tyre Nichols. CBS's Jeff Pegues starts us off tonight. Good evening to you, Jeff.
Yeah, this report is really stunning, Margaret. It slams the Louisville Police Department for what it calls a culture of racial discrimination, claiming some of its officers leave some of their most brutal tactics for blacks.
This conduct is unacceptable. It is heartbreaking.
The scathing DOJ report concluded that the Louisville Metro Police Department doesn't always protect and serve, but instead often disrespects the people it is sworn to protect. Among the investigation's findings, officers treat blacks and whites differently. While driving, blacks are nearly 4 times as likely to be cited for improperly tinted windows and 5 times more for improper tags. The abuses extend to the treatment of the disabled and even sex assault victims. The report also said that officers often use excessive force, such as neck restraints, canines, and tasers.
Some have videotaped themselves throwing drinks at pedestrians from their cars, insulted people with disabilities, and called black people monkeys.
Louisville Mayor Greg Greenberg.
We will not make excuses. We will make changes.
The DOJ investigation was prompted by the death of Breonna Taylor, who was killed in her own home by police officers who were executing a no-knock search warrant on the wrong location in March of 2020. Tamika Palmer is Taylor's mother.
I don't even know what to think, to know that this thing should have never happened and that it took 3 years for anybody else to say that it shouldn't have.
Currently, there are 11 open DOJ investigations of police departments or units nationwide, among them Minneapolis, added in the wake of George Floyd's death. Today, the Justice Department added Memphis following Tyre Nichols' death 2 months ago. While announcing the Memphis investigation, the Department of Justice also announced that it is reviewing specialized units. These are units that a lot of cities across the country now have to fight rising crime. And in Memphis, it is the Scorpion unit that is accused in connection with Tyre Nichols' death. Margaret.
Jeff Pegues on that important story. Thank you.